Yes. So exchange of gases takes place by the process of diffusion. This you have to learn. Diffusion is a process by which exchange of gases takes place, because for exchange of water plants have different process. So what exactly is diffusion? Diffusion होता क्या है? Movement of substance from a region of high concentration to low concentration. Now here a new term is there, concentration. What exactly is concentration? That you will learn in chemistry, but if I have to tell you something here, I can tell you, imagine many hundred of students are playing in a playground. One playground 100 students are playing, and in another playground only 10 students are playing. So the ground in which 100 students are playing, that will have high concentration, and the ground in which only 10 students are playing, that is low concentration area. Similarly, you can see this diagram. In this diagram, this box occupies more number of particles. Particles can be of anything, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, any of the gas you can see. So if particles are more, it means that is high concentration. Here you can see none of the particles are there. This is blank, so low concentration. So what you want to try, अगर आप भीड़ भाड़ वाली जगह पे हैं तो आप खुद खाली जगह पर जाना चाहते हैं. Similarly, particles will start moving from high concentration area to low concentration area. Such type of movement from high concentration to low concentration is known as diffusion. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move to next process, or before that let's start one example. Diffusion we can observe or we can see in amoeba. Amoeba is a single-celled organism that can be survive in any of the circumstances, whether it is hot, cold, saline, anything. So it is a cell that is capable of performing all metabolic activities like respiration, reproduction, digestion, everything. So just see how it will perform exchange of gases. Just see, inside amoeba a lot of carbon dioxide molecules are there, so it means high concentration of carbon dioxide inside amoeba, and outside it there is low concentration of carbon dioxide. So what carbon dioxide will do, it will start moving from high concentration area to low concentration area. So this movement from high concentration to low concentration is known as diffusion. Similarly, they can take oxygen by the process of diffusion only. Now let's come to exchange of water. Exchange of water takes place by the process of osmosis. Actually, diffusion and osmosis both are almost similar, but there is only one difference, that is selectively permeable membrane. Now let's come to the define of it. The movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane from high concentration to low concentration. So means movement of particles होगा high concentration से low concentration में, but एक चीज़ जो differ करेगी, that is a selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane means यहाँ पर हम plasma membrane की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. It can be any other membrane, any other. Like if I can tell you, I hope nowadays you all are eating salads. आप सब salads खाते हैं, तो कभी अनियन उसमें खाया हो तो in between the layers there is a transparent layer that can be act as a selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable को ज़्यादा बेहतर समझने के लिए imagine your school gate. So school gate watchman is there, although it is a gate, but not all are allowed to enter. So only those can allowed who all are working in the school, or else they are student. Otherwise none of the person is allowed to enter. So means वो गेट क्या है, selectively permeable है, कुछ लोगों को ही आने जाने की परमिशन देता है. Similarly, ये जो layer है, this selectively permeable layer always allow only few of the things, not all. So this Just look at this diagram. I hope you can correlate. This is also similar to the previous one, but in the last one I was talking about gases. Here I am talking about water. You can see blue dots, that is referring water, and green dots means other particles. So see, high concentration, so there is a selectively permeable membrane जो सारे particles को नहीं जाने दे रही है. It is, see, many particles are there but it is allowing only few to pass through. So this is osmosis, in which particles are moving from high concentration to low concentration but through a semi-permeable membrane. This is known as osmosis.